7 best life insurance companies in January 2024. Mass Mutual and Golden top our list of the best life insurance companies for 2024. Many or all of the products featured here are from our partners who compensate us. This influence which products we write about and here and how the products appears on a page. However, this does not influence our evaluations, our opinion, or our own. Here is a list of is our partners, and here's how we make money. Follow the writers more like this. Life insurance provides life insurance policies types, managing life insurance, buying life insurance, life insurance. The life insurance market in the US is competitive, made up of a mix of long-standing insurance and never insured that sell policies online. To narrow down our list of the best life insurance companies, we looked at customer complaints data, consumer experience, and financial strength. We also assessed the types of policies on offer and the way you can buy coverage based on the factors. These are our top life insurance companies for 2024. Why you can trust NerdWallet. Our writers and editors follow strict editorial guidelines to ensure the content on our site is accurate and fair, so you can make financial decision with confidence and choose the products that work best for you. Here is a list of our partner, and here's how we make money. How much does life insurance cost? Monthly estimates for best health, good health, average health. Customize your cost. Our picks for the best life insurance companies in January 2024. All of the life insurance companies listed below scored 5 out of 5 stars. That are hundreds of insurers competing for your business, often selling very similar products, so it's smart to compare life insurance quotes from a few before making a decision. How we ranked the top life insurance. NerdWallet life insurance rating, and based on consumer experience complaint index scores from the National Association of Insurance Commissioner commissioners for individual life insurance and weight at average of financial strength rating, which indicate a company ability to pay future claims within the consumer experience category. We consider as a of communicated, and we consider is the communication and website transparency, which looks at the depth of policy details available online to calculate each insurer's Rating: we adjusted the scores to a curved 5 point scale. These ratings are a guide, but we encourage you to shop around and compare several several insurance quotes to find the best rate for you. NerdWallet does not receive com- compensation for any review. Read our editorial guidelines. Best life insurance companies pros and cons. Learn more about our top life insurance companies in 2024 by reading the brief summaries and checking out our comparisons comparisons review. Jump to Mass Mutual best overall. Guardian best for application with a history of Hive. Northwestern Mutual best of consumer experience. New York Life best for high coverage amounts. Pacific Life best range of permanent life insurance. State Farm best for customer satisfaction. Best for older applications. Best life insurance company overall Mass Mutual.